I'd love to start with Carrie Underwood. You're in my feed
Sure.
with Carrie. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Like, this is wild. YouTube
Yeah.
star to now seeing her. Like, what is that like? How'd that come about?
Yeah, that was an interesting one. So we had done a collaboration a couple years back with Kaylani, who's an R&B singer. And that also kind of came about sort of randomly. I guess during the pandemic, she had a TikTok and she followed like 12 people. We were one of them, or I guess I was one of them back in the day, didn't have much of a team. And she just sent me a DM. Was like, hey, I need some help with the garden. And I was like, okay, well, I'll come up and check it out, and brought one of my team members. And then, the Carrie collab kind of came about the same way. Someone who was a big Carrie fan had mentioned that she had started following the account. And so then, she had posted something about tomatoes. I said, those are some big tomatoes, because they were. She's quite a good gardener. And we started chatting from there. She wanted some help setting up her greenhouse. I was going to be in Nashville, which is where she lives, just outside of Nashville. So I was like, hey, look, I'll come around and take a look at it, and kind of evolved from there. Obviously, we were like, well, this would be a great content piece to do, and a cool sort of mixing of the worlds of a YouTuber and, a true global superstar. So it was fun.
What's so interesting is that YouTubers really are true global superstars, but we often don't have that in our head as what we imagine them to be, which is fascinating because in the truest sense, like, YouTube is watched worldwide and it's seen worldwide, and you are truly known by millions of people, but you don't think of yourself, or I don't think of you that way, but your reach is insane.
Yeah, what I've noticed is that you're right. Maybe the reach, especially, so there's like, I don't know, say like Madonna or something, like a legacy celebrity where she still has world recognition with her name, but her presence is not seen very much these days because she's just been out for a while. So everyone in the world sort of knows who Madonna is, in a more superficial sense of they know Madonna, maybe they haven't connected with her that much in life. And then the YouTube world, what I've noticed is, number one, you're not really seen as a superstar when someone meets you. Like, if someone runs into me and they do recognize us from our videos, they don't think, at least from what I can tell, of me as some sort of, vaulted figure like they would a Carrie Underwood or a Madonna or some of these like true superstars. So to me, there's still a big difference in like classic celebrity and YouTube celebrity, although the effect, at least in my opinion, of YouTube is that you reach people on a much deeper level than some, at least, of these more classic folks.
Yeah, from doing research from this, I understood that you weren't trying to seek fame. You just want to help people and hope that people take something that you learned or you gave them and they can implement it in their own life. And when you come at it from that angle, it creates a way different relationship with the person who's listening or watching or viewing.
Yeah, I think so. And I think I've always wondered about this because there are some like really famous YouTubers, let's say, that have catapulted their way into, call it classic celebrity or classic fame. And what I've noticed is those folks tend to be more the artist type of personality, where they're seen as sort of creative genius or otherworldly in some way, like almost magical. So like rappers that have come out, or musicians, or like someone like a Joji who used to be Filthy Frank on YouTube and is now like a super famous musician. I feel like they're seen in a little bit different way. But someone like myself, just a dude who loves growing potatoes, and I helped you grow potatoes. So you come up to me and you say like, "Hey, thanks for helping me grow potatoes." There's nothing too crazy about it.